In 2015, my father's cancer treatment started. That's when we started realizing how many problems there are related to cancer in general. I also realized that there's so much lack of awareness, especially amongst youth in India, about cancer. This is the educated youth I'm talking about, who were studying in my college itself.
2.1 million women across the globe are impacted every year by breast cancer. To spread awareness and support, October is marked as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Still, very less is spoken about the quality of life of breast cancer survivors. Their needs, dignity, and expectations are rarely discussed. This struck a chord with Akriti Gupta, and thus CanFem was born. At 17, Akriti's father was diagnosed with cancer. The frequent hospital visits brought her close to cancer patients and the issues faced by them. Understanding the need for breast prosthesis and cancer brasserie, her mother, Kavita Gupta, was the inspiration behind the venture.
It's my father's doctor. It's him who introduced my mother with the problem that breast cancer patients face of mastectomy and they're not able to find a good prosthesis in the market. And he initially approached us that we have an NGO and if we can donate some prosthesis to them.
Available breast prostheses in the market were either cheap foam-based ones or expensive silicone alternatives. The path was not easy for Akriti as both doctors and patients outrightly rejected their first developed prototype. Determined for the cause, she bounced back based on patient feedback and reviews.
We took this up as a challenge. We developed our very own breast prosthesis, and it is actually during my father's treatment. We had regularly had to visit hospitals. Whenever my mother used to be in the hospital, she used to interact with doctors and patients, and when she used to come back, we used to work upon that particular feedback we got from them on the product.
And thus, it led to inception of affordable and quality breast prosthesis and mastectomy bras. Approved by leading hospitals like AIIMS, Tata Memorial Centre Hospital and CMC Vellore. But then came the real challenge to reach the needy who feared to raise a demand, restrained by taboos.
When you're working for breast cancer in India, you're not working on one taboo subject of breast cancer, but three: breast cancer and breast cancer in general. When a breast cancer survivor herself is not ready to even say the word breast or nipple, what can you expect from a normal woman? Building up that rapport with them, getting those kind of feedbacks with them, it was tough, of course.
Slowly, with the help of doctors and friendly interactions, CanFem could establish itself. Now, the products are distributed across 25 states in India and internationally in Bangladesh and Afghanistan. They also have a sister not-for-profit organization aimed at serving the underprivileged.
Prosthesis plays a big role on a woman's mental health. It affects her body image, it affects her self-confidence, her esteem. And a lot of times after the breast of the woman is removed, she self-isolates herself. She doesn't step out of the house, stops going out, often gets out of her employment. So these kind of things also happen. So of course prosthesis plays a very big role in the mental health of the woman, but also on the physical aspect, the prosthesis should have some weight in it, because when breast of the woman is removed, the weight associated with it is also removed. So which creates a body disbalance, and the prosthesis should have adequate weight to balance out both the sides. It should be soft, it should not be allergic for the woman to wear, breeding ground for bacteria, proper hygiene needs to be maintained with it. So all these issues are definitely to be catered.
Akriti also did a master thesis on mental health issues of breast cancer survivors. Reaching out to the masses, she regularly conducts workshops to spread awareness on the topic.
Everyone here is working towards making a cancer patient a survivor, but hardly anyone is helping them to get back into the society with dignity.
CanFem plans to create a peer support group system to advocate the needs and mental well-being of the breast cancer survivors. Global Student Entrepreneur Award 2020 Fellowship Program by Singapore International Foundation, many accolades have already come her way.
From in army, there's caste. their war scars. They wear them as badges. So this is what you need to show the world out. Your scars are your badges, that you have won, or even you have fought an amazing battle. You had the courage to fight it. Your family had the courage to fight it, and you need to just show it off.
Undeterred and strong-willed, Akriti aims for miles to go and reach out to every single breast cancer survivor across the globe.